Score 6-5. Possibly another infinite duration overtime is coming, which means no winner again. Both sides have been playing an air hockey game, first to 7 wins, and every time there is anticipation that it will be another overtime. But there is always a slight hope that someone might win. Both sides don't remember for how long they have been playing or who their opponent is. The only thing they think about is winning. Ironically, every time there is infinite overtime, probably lasting hours, days, maybe months, due to which the match has restarted countless times. And then the scoreboard makes a mechanical noise. The left side 6 slowly goes down and a 7 comes from above. Applause can be heard all over the room. Everyone is shaking hands, greeting one another and celebrating their long-awaited result for which they have spent countless years. Loudspeaker announcement: Dr. Iyer, please visit Lab 7B as soon as possible. Mr. Iyer, on his way to 7B, was eating his sandwich when he crossed 7A and heard the applause and cheers. He was confused, puzzled, and with a slight smile on his face asked what happened. He did have an idea of what might have caused this fuss, but he didn't want to be too optimistic because the thing happening seemed like a 1 in infinity possibility. Mr. Iyer, said Shreya, a new joiner in her white coat, seems like someone is going to win a Nobel Prize. Iyer, with wet eyes and a heavy voice, said, finally, after so many years, we have built the first thinking cell. The project on which Mr. Iyer was working was called the Creator. It was focused on creating a living cell inspired by the structure and functionality of neurons in the human brain, with the hope that the cell might become the first self-thinking entity created by humans. Mr. Iyer was 22 when he started working on this project with 2 colleagues. He and his colleagues were able to replicate a neuron-like structure to create 2 cells and program them to play an air hockey game. They only taught them the basic rules: move left, move right, score has to reach 7 to win, and overtime rules. That's all. This was all done in the first 4 years. Now he is 40 years old. Unfortunately, both of his colleagues left after the first 6 years for better opportunities because they grew tired of not seeing any results and thought it was a waste of effort. Now Mr. Iyer has a team of 15 people working on the Creator, which has finally achieved its objective. The cells themselves learned tactics and ways to score, and finally one has emerged victorious. For the cells, they are living things, thinking beings, even if the only thing they think about is winning. But they don't know they were created by someone else for an experiment. The only thing they know is playing air hockey. There was a party going around the observation panel from which the game was viewed. Did you hear them? Degree. They have created their first living thing. 2 unearthly figures were standing before a huge table-sized observation panel in which Mr. Iyer's lab was visible from above and their conversations could be heard. But this communication was one-sided. Degree, it seems our experiment is complete. The second figure looked down at the celebration. Our creation has become creators.